Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9 foundation of mathematics chapter 2 linear equations and inequations part 10. In this part we are going to learn a miscellaneous problem question of miscellaneous. We'll understand it like one more question that we have solved in part 9. So now let us start with question that is, so the question is, solve for x and y where a minus b whole multiplied by x plus a plus b multiplied by y is equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square, and then the next equation is about a plus b into x plus y is equal to a square plus b square. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we'll subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we will get a minus b minus a plus b x equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square minus a square minus b square. So here when we'll simplify, we'll get that minus 2bx equal to minus 2ab minus 2b square equal to minus 2b whole multiplied by a plus b. From here we will get that x is equal to a plus b. Substituting the value of x in equation 1, we have a minus b multiplied by a plus b plus a plus b multiplied by y is equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square, a square minus b square plus a plus b multiplied by y is equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. So now this would be a minus this would be a square minus b square plus a plus b whole multiplied by y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. Then we'll get a plus b whole multiplied by y equal to minus 2ab, means y is equal to minus 2ab upon a plus b. So x is equal to ab and y is equal to minus 2ab upon a plus b. This is the answers. I hope you have understood till this. Let's meet in part 11 with the concept of conditions for solvability. In that we'll see what is consistent and what is meant by not consistent, the three equation, and we'll solve question based on them. I hope you've understood till this part 10. Let's meet in part 11 with new interesting topics. For any query and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you've understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in part 11. Thank you.